Hi, my name is Jasmeet and I'm the head of product for Nexus. And I'm here at Pinecone headquarters. And I'm going to give you a demo for Pinecone Nexus. As we know, our mission at Pinecone is to make AI knowledgeable. And when we think about knowledge from an enterprise setup, models are not your bottleneck anymore, right? The problem is that enterprises today don't have a way to fully take advantage of that one edge that they have when they're incorporating AI in their stack. That is leveraging their enterprise knowledge. Now, you can say that, what if I just give all my data access to a Claude agent or any coding agent? Wouldn't it just extract knowledge from it? It might, but it will spend most of its effort in just figuring out where the knowledge exists, and the retrieval is going to take up all your cost and latency, and your responses might not be fully complete or accurate, right? So knowledge is something that enterprises today are struggling to fully take advantage of. Now, what we think is that a knowledge layer is missing for this to happen, right? The models that you're using, the tools in your agentic harnesses that you're using are pretty much a commodity, right? Everyone has access to the same models, the same tools. So there is no competitive advantage or any uniqueness to your enterprise when you use these commodities. What gives you a real edge is the knowledge of how your business actually runs, your entities and how they're connected. And what your people know about these entities is something that's so distributed amongst your data sources across your enterprise. And if you're able to harness this knowledge, that's the competitive mode that we want in Nexus to provide you. Now, it's not just me who's building a knowledge layer here, right? There are other ways that are being used, but what difference and what novelty Nexus brings in is it gives you the agent assistance needed to build a knowledge layer, but it does it with the expertise that exists in your employee's mind, right? So a subject matter expert who knows your business, who knows how to interpret the data in extracting knowledge is given full control in Nexus to be able to create and design this knowledge layer that you can hand over to an agent, and the agent will have much more success in representing your enterprise's knowledge. Now, how does this happen, right? Let's just take an example. You have a revenue ops lead whose job is to make sure that you maximize the returns from accounts and reduce the churn from competitors, right? So now your revenue ops lead knows that if an agent is giving you any information about revenue ops, what matters is which competitors come up on your sales calls and which accounts are of risk for churning, right? Now, taking this as something that your revenue ops lead knows and converting it into a knowledge layer is going to entail a very simple design process that your RevOps lead can follow, right? They can go into Nexus, they can absolutely define the entities in the knowledge layer to be account, competitor, call, risk signal, and how these entities connect with each other. What are the kind of relationships that they have, right? Once this manifest is designed and knowledge layer is curated, your agents now have access to this higher level knowledge that is sitting on your raw data sources to ask very complex questions about competitors, about risks and churns. Now, what happened here is the expertise of knowing where to look and what knowledge to access that is sitting in the minds of your RevOps lead is now converted into a knowledge for agents to perform very similar tasks as your RevOps lead would do with the knowledge that they have. Now, let me show you this in action. Here's Nexus. Let's say your RevOps leads asks a very complex question to an AI agent that now wants to know on sales calls which enterprise accounts have a renewal closing before this quarter and are flagging at risk in your CRM and named a competitor on the call, and what specific objections is driving the risk in each, right? Now, as you can imagine, this is a complex ask, right? If there are hundreds and thousands of sales calls that have to be navigated to construct this answer, a coding agent or a RAG agent will give you a very suboptimal result. What Nexus has done is Nexus has pre-compiled this knowledge required to provide this answer, and it very easily gives you the access to accounts, what sort of competitors were named in last calls, what are the objections, and it cites the exact source or list of sources that this knowledge came from, right? So you now got faster, accurate, cheaper response to a very complex query that had answers in multiple sources through the knowledge layer of artifacts that Nexus has provided to you. Now, let me show you how we were able to give this ability to get answer to this complex question. Once you've ingested your sources into Nexus, which you can do through several connectors that we're making available right now, you can go in, and now here's where you design your manifest. Okay, so like I showed you on the slide, this is where the revenue ops lead will go and be like, hey, across this corpus of calls, I want knowledge of an entity that represents all my customer accounts, or that represents all the product areas that were spoken about, or competitors, right? So now once your RevOps lead is here and they've designed the ideal manifest, which is a blueprint in the kind of knowledge that they would like to see in the end artifacts, they can select the model of choice that they like to curate this knowledge using the design. Once they hit curate, it's going to take a moment, given the complexity of the manifest design and the underlying corpus. But once the curation is finished, the knowledge is now curated into these artifacts. Now let's see, like if you remember from the previous screen, competitor is one of the artifact types that we designed, right? Now, in all of these calls that are in JSON files ingested into Nexus, these are the competitors that were mentioned inside the call transcripts. And now Nexus was able to compile a knowledge artifact for each of the competitors and cite sources of where this knowledge is coming from. As you can see, each of these competitors have several sources of transcript calls that they were spoken about. Now, very similar to that, accounts, right? So we're talking about accounts. There's knowledge of accounts coming from the sales calls, and so on and so forth, right? Now, going back to this query, now you can tie the pieces together, right? So what happened when the customer asked this question? Nexus has a query path agent that will take the customer query and start creating a plan on how to navigate these artifacts, or even the raw chunks before the artifacts are generated on top of them, and step by step go and navigate these artifacts to raw data sources to formulate an answer. That is Nexus in action. Reach out today to see how we can tap into the knowledge that is distributed across your unstructured and structured data sources in your enterprise.